Where is Brian? Christ, I could be home having a drink, watching a movie, or be on the computer. Instead, I'm out in this, although I like snow, this shit. This is nuts. If I break a leg, I'll sue. Where is my idiot son? The idiot has arrived.
Dad, day for bowling.
Yeah, right. This is insane. I'm doing this under protest.
You good?
Not yet. Have you got snow tires?
No,
Of course not. Why would you have snow tires if you drive in snow, right?
I don't need them.
No, of course not.
It's not snowing.
It's not snowing. Oh, that's. Oh, of course. I can understand that. Is that you slipping and sliding? I wonder.
No?
Spring has sprung. The grass is riz. I wonder where the birdies is. A lot of things I don't remember.
Like what?
Oh, you don't even want me to start talking about that. Another half an hour? You're serious?
Yep.
How far does Dufferin go? I mean, how far does Dufferin go?
North York?
Dufferin goes as far as North York? Okay, we can stop in the library then and I could get some DVDs. Oh, there's a parking spot here?
Yes.
Oh my God. Lady Luck is with us.
Alright.
Oh, I was just starting to enjoy this.